Welcome back, everyone. It's October 19th, Thursday. Got 5 guys hunting a pond that holds ducks and geese, decent amount. There's a lot of geese roosted on here, so I'm a little worried. Checked it the other night and they weren't, so not good, but boys were a little excited, so we set up pretty early. Sat in the trucks for like an hour. Got about 5 minutes to legal. About a minute out from the geese, so stay tuned. Rocking the Tideweed backpack and waders today. Very happy with them so far, so if you'd like to get yourself a product and test them out for yourself, go over to the Tideweed website, it'll be linked in the description. Use my code WC18, save yourself some money, and stay tuned, and hopefully we'll be shooting something soon. There's 2 right here. Oh god, yeah. My camera blinking? Yeah?
Dude, it's ducking in here. Holy shit, boys.
Wait for the big group. Wait. Let them decoy. You ready? Take them.
Holy! Holy!
Good shooting, boys. That was nuts. Be ready for sneaker inners.
Here comes one.
Here, one. Hey, right here. Oh.
Flying out.
Yep. Get down. Oh, right here.
Let them work. They're gonna.
Yeah, let's let them decoy. Call. Alright, lighten up. If these ones come in, let's take them.
They're dumping.
Ready? Kill them. Oh, we got nicked.
Huh?
There's one that got nicked. Dang, I don't know if I hit anything.
Yeah, that was tough. I'm pretty sure I got one there. 2 of them. Shoot them. Oh yeah. Dude, I couldn't even see them. That other one, that one's flapping, I can't tell.
Left? Is that one sitting on the right? Geese. You guys ready? You guys wanna? Kill him. You get any?
Sneakers, yeah. 2 or 3 drops. Who shot at that one way out there?
I mean, I shot that way, but I didn't think I got one.
Yeah, one fell away.
Oh, maybe I did. Did anyone shoot far left there?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Someone shot.
Oh, one just flew right over it. Oh, kill him.
Woody.
Dang it. Single.
Alright, let's dial in here, guys.
Let's dial in.
Exciting. Over here to the left.
What ducks? Kill them. Get that one.
Come on, left side, right side, whatever side we're on.
What do you mean? Hey, up top.
Yep, let them work.
Kill him. That was bad.
Take your shot, but 2 are coming in.
Kill him. Kill him. Better hit that one. Hit that one right away. Get over there.
I don't have shells.
Somebody go. Hold on, hold on.
He'll swing, he'll swing. Here he comes. He just committed suicide.
Kill him. Nice. Kill him. Nice.
Probably should.
Watch this one. Watch this single right here.
This guy on this.
Hold on, wait for this other one. Okay, watch that one on the right, guys.
Wait. We got one right up front too.
All right, kill him. Kill him. Wait for the 3. Better kill him.
Oh, right here.
Get him, Greenhead. Nice. Get him, Greenhead. Nice. Be ready, boys. Should we take him here?
They're not landing our decoys. Come on.
That was dope. Should I kill him?
Kill him.
Well, little update. We got 4 limits of mallards plus 1, 2 wood ducks, and 1 goose now. I'm not sure if I got the goose on record. I might have messed that up. But we're getting one of the ducks right now and the goose. So stay tuned, and I guess there's some ducks above us. Kill them! Hello. Oh. Kill it. Right here. Walked up over here to look for any more mallards we might have missed this morning. Found a mallard. This wood duck just got up, so, and they shot those 2 that I could have shot at a bunch of times, but I let go. So I'm glad they got them. But so we got 3 wood ducks and 1 more mallard we need for our 6-man mallard. So I'm gonna stick it out. Stay tuned. All right, we ended up with our 6-man mallards, 1 Drake wood duck, 2 hen wood ducks, and 2 geese. Name and occupation and description of the hunt.
Ike Dale. We had mallards dumping in on our face all morning. Probably one of the greasier hunts I've ever been on in this state.
Name, occupation, description.
I'm Isaac, also known as like the mallard sniper. I thought this was rice pond, but it turned out to be cattails. Ducks didn't seem to care, but yeah.
Okay. Name, occupation, description of hunt.
This is Carson. I mean, ducks stay dirty in the morning.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right. Name, occupation.
This is Dustin. Thanks for Isaac for inviting me out here, and this was one greasy hunt this morning.
Name,
Ty.
occupation, and description.
I'm Ty. Ducks in the morning tornado was just so sick.
That it?
Yeah.
All right. What do they do if they like the video?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.